The last surprise box from Erin Condren is finally here. Let's see what's inside. All right, so I have seen everything inside of this box. I couldn't wait. I needed to peek inside and see what it contained. I took the shipping labels off. I was able to easily peel them off this time. I am bummed though that, it's bent, but that's okay. This is a reversible box, so I'm going to turn it inside out, although I do like this design. So this is the box. And when you open it, the cover, let's see if we can get you to see that. It says, "You are right where you need to be." And the inside is like this ombre color. It goes from like orange to pink. Does it go to purple? To purple on the other side. So that is really pretty. I like the other design though too. So either one. All right, you ready? I'm going to just start. So when you open up your box, you get the card. You are right where you need to be. And it has everything that's inside. So I won't show you that yet. Okay, the first thing that caught my eye was the retractable fine liners. I did see this as a sneak, and I'm actually really excited about it. You get seafoam, teal, cornflower, salmon, amethyst, and raspberry. I'll have to test these for you to show you what the colors look like. And then you get this washi tape sticker roll duo, half circle stickers and then circle stickers. So let's open this because I want to see what this is all about. Like, are they actual like circles that you can remove? Oh boy, I'm gonna have a hard time with this. Oh, here it is. Are they actual stickers that you can remove, or is it just like a washi with that design? Oh guys, I'm sorry, I am having trouble here. Okay, unfortunately, that was harder than it's probably supposed to be. Okay, so I'm just peeling it right now to see what this is like. Okay, so they are dots. Now, do they come and like, are they separated? Let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. They are. So you can take these dots off and just put them on your planner as like a marker. Okay, that's cool. I like that. That's really neat, actually. And then this one, so this one's going to be your half circles. Let's see here. So this is what the half circle looks like. And you can just put that on your planner and use it as like a area to mark like a header or something that you want to stand out. Okay, now the notepad and sticky note set. Let's open that. All right, this opens up. You have a sticky note Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you can just peel this off and then write whatever note you need to write down and then circle the day. And then these are like little flags that you can use. This one, these are not sticky notes. This is just like would it be like a dashboard almost? So for the day, you can write your tasks that you need to do, today's top 3, and then whatever you need to write here. And then you just peel off the page and you could, just stick it in your planner or throw it away once you're done with it. This could just like sit on your desk if you need it. Okay, this next thing I'm actually really, really, really excited about. It is this functional planning stencil. It is a snap-in, so you could put it in your coil and it will help you draw lines and dots and just like any little design that you need there. And you can keep it in your planner so that it is just handy to grab. Now I will probably keep this in my Archer and Olive case because I'm also using Planner Perfect. So I want to be able to grab it for both planners, but I am super excited about this. Very excited. Okay, now there are some sticker sheets. Let's open this up. Okay, let's see here. Okay, looks like you get 2 sheets. Put that to the side. Okay, we have one for functional planning and then some decorative stickers. They have Hello Summer, Summer Love, Good Days Ahead. Are these? Okay, they are kind of transparent. I mean, they're really flimsy stickers. They're not like this thick sticker, but they are pretty. And then of course you also saw that there is this notebook. So let me move this to the side. Okay, I chose the Bird of Paradise cover. I preferred this one over the other option, and it is actually really pretty. So I am glad I went with that. I was excited when I saw some sneaks of this notebook. It is the Perpetual Notebook, and it is lined, and it has the months and days up here so that you can use this as your date. So say you're taking notes or you're journaling or whatever you're going to use this for, you can mark June or July, and then whatever day it is, you can circle and highlight, and then you know what the date is. So I really like that. And it is on every single page. It's all the same all the way through. So I'm gonna have fun deciding how I want to use this. Now I wanna give you my thoughts on the items that were in this box. I am excited for this notebook. Like I was saying, I don't know how I'm gonna use it. I might even journal in here. I'm not sure. It's kind of like the perfect size. Does it say the size? Yeah, 7x9 coiled notebook. So this one is an exclusive to the box, and it says it's $22.50. I will use this for sure. Okay, the next thing, the retractable fine liner. Another thing I'm really excited about. These remind me of those zebra pens, and this is an exclusive, and it says that they're $16.50. The washi, I was kind of like, when I saw that there was this washi in the box, I was like, okay, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. So this is also exclusive, and I'm excited to try it out. Now these are like really thin and see-through, so we'll see how they actually stick to the pages. I'll keep you updated on those for sure. The stickers, I'm not really excited about actually. I mean, I might use them, I might not, but I mean, I can see myself using these day of the week stickers. I'm not sure. These dots too might be fun to use. Okay, no, they're not transparent. But this one I'm not like, I'm so excited about. So that was kind of, it was an iffy one. These, let me find them. Okay, the sticker sheet, exclusive, these are all exclusive, $6.50. This functional planning stencil, I am so excited to use. Like I was saying, I'm gonna keep it in my case and use it any chance I get. Even though I'm not really a functional planner, it is kind of fun to have a stencil to draw your lines and stuff. And I know that this is kind of trending right now, so I was kind of keeping an eye out for something like this, but I wasn't really ready to make a purchase. So it was actually perfect that this is in the box. All right, that's also exclusive. This one, I am not sure if I'm ever going to use this, to be honest. I have ordered surprise boxes before, and the notepads like this, I always end up giving away because I don't use them. So I'll see. We'll see how this year goes, but I'm not super excited about this one. And this is an exclusive. And they also said that this was $18.50. Well, everything in this box is exclusive. So if you haven't ordered it, I would go on and see if you could order one. Not even sure if they're available. If they are available, I will put the link in the description so you can look there to see. But if they're not available, I won't put any links in the description. So also, like I said, I chose the Birds of Paradise, but there's also that Pastel Sun cover, but I didn't like that design. Let's do a quick pen test. I will go ahead and open these. I wonder if they have the names on them. Okay, no, they don't. So I'm gonna have to try to keep them in order so I know which one is what. Let's do Seafoam first, and I'm just going to peel this paper off of that notebook and then just test it right here. You wanna make sure that you remove these little covers. They're just little protectors for the markers. All right, this one is Seafoam. And that is a really pretty color. And then we have Teal. These are so summery. Okay, this one is Cornflower. I actually like the color Cornflower, so let's see what it looks like on paper. Yeah, very true to the color. I like that one. This one is called Salmon. Okay, that one's okay. I don't know if I'll grab that one very often. We have Amethyst, so just like your purple color. And then Raspberry. Let's see what Raspberry is. Okay, so it's like a really deep, yeah, it's like a darker purple, a different shade of purple. These to me are both purple, just different shades. Okay, my favorite, Seafoam and Cornflower. These two right here. Those are my favorites, definitely. I can see myself using the Teal, but the Seafoam and the Cornflower definitely stand out to me as ones that I will probably grab and use more than the others. All right, I hope that you enjoyed seeing inside of this surprise box. I mean, in the past, there have been what I feel like more items in the box, but this box, there's actually quite a few things that I will use and I'm super excited about. So I'm just kind of like separating them now. Like this is what I love and this is what I was kind of iffy about. But yeah, let me know down below what you think of this box. Do you think that it was worth it? If you received it, which items or item were you most excited for? I will put my affiliate link down below. If you choose to use my link, I truly appreciate it. I am a new affiliate with Erin Condren, and I'm so excited to start making all of these videos. This box was not sent to me. I purchased this on the launch day, just to let you all know that. But I will see you all soon on my next video. Hopefully you're having a great start to your week, and we'll talk soon. All right, bye.